Hello guys, welcome back. For today's video, I am going to show you how to change wallpaper and lock screen background in Android. So first open your photos or gallery. As for me, it is named AI Gallery. So open it and choose your desired wallpaper. And then look for the three dots, or in some phone, it looks like a gear icon. So tap on it and it will show options such as copy, move, hide, and of course, use as wallpaper. So let's tap on this and resize it if you want and tap apply. It will then show options whether you want to use the picture as a wallpaper or a lock screen or both. So for now, let us use home screen. And that's it. That is how you change wallpaper or lock screen background on Android.